Imagine you're a farmer who only grows one type of crop. If that crop fails due to weather or pests, your entire livelihood crumbles. Similarly, putting all your money into a single stock can be just as risky. Diversification is like growing multiple types of crops. If one fails, others might thrive and help you stay financially stable. Let's look at an example. In 2008, if all your money was invested in tech stocks, it would have been hit hard by the economic downturn. However, someone who had a mix of tech, healthcare, and retail might not have seen such severe losses. Diversification can smooth out those rough patches. A common misconception is that diversifying means you'll miss out on huge gains from a single booming stock. But what about the losses? Consider this. If you put $10,000 into a single stock that drops 50%, you lose half your money. But with diversification across 5 stocks, the loss is spread out, potentially reducing the impact. Now imagine you're investing for retirement. Diversifying can help ensure your savings are more resilient over time. Remember, while diversification helps manage risk, it's not a guarantee against loss. Always seek professional advice tailored to your needs and situation. In summary, just like growing multiple crops, diversifying can help protect your investments from unforeseen downturns. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content.